We just watched a movie with my 3 children and the power went off, and husband went up to the bedroom with the children at the front of the house and I went into our room. The wind was really loud, but I wasn't that concerned. I sat down in bed and heard a crack and then watched the tree come through the bedroom, through the ceiling at the bottom of my bed. The branches came in, plaster came down, and yeah, it was terrifying. I screamed a lot and then got up and put something over my head because there was bits of plaster falling. I stuck my head out the bathroom window, pushed the window out, but couldn't get down because it was too far off the ground. Husband had called the CFA and it was really early in the storm, so they were able to get the truck down the street still, and they knocked out the other part of the window, got me out, and we ran across the road to our neighbour's house as trees were falling. We got to the corner of the house and heard an enormous crash and the ground shook. We just heard them falling all night. We just hear the wind would get to a certain pitch and there'd be a crack and a thud and everything would shake, and it was very disorientating because there was just so many trees down everywhere. Probably wasn't until about 5 a.m. that it felt like it started to die down a little bit. We looked out the window and it was getting light, and we were kind of all shocked because what we normally would see as a skyline of trees was open sky. The Kalorama hub that was set up was amazing. That was a really lovely community. The council brought in the tent and the marquees and all the support people that were there, and that's, I think where I first heard about BRV and was able to register. About a month ago we had the assessment of the site. That was nice to feel that people were coming to take a look and see what they could do to help, and it's been amazing that what's been done in a few days, and the machinery and the crews have been extremely helpful and careful. There was a tiny kumquat tree left in the middle and they've been working all the big machinery around the little kumquat tree. We couldn't have done this on our own. There was no way residents here could have managed any part of that cleanup. I'm looking forward to moving back in and having a prepared house and a new garden. The garden's really starting from scratch again, really.